Hello everyone. Before we start today's video, we would like to introduce ourselves. This video is presented as our final project for academic speaking course. We will be discussing about AI in education. Does AI help or harm students' critical thinking skills? My name is Zara Kamila, and I will be your host for today's podcast. I'm from Academic Speaking B class, and my SID is 245110507111032.
Hello everyone, my name is Debbie Zakia Nuraini and I will be speaker 1 in today's podcast. I'm from Academy Speaking A class and my SID is 245110507111023.
Hello everyone, my name is Aufa Nuha Kholida and I will be speaker 2 and I'm from Academic Speaking B class and my SID is 245110507111036.
And hello everyone, my name is Kalista Ayuna Matalina and I will be speaker 3 in today's podcast. I am from Academic A class and my SID is 245110507111031.
And thank you for listening.
We hope you enjoy the discussion
and gain new insight from the topic we have prepared.
Now let's begin to our podcast. Hello everyone, welcome to Zara Talk in Education. Today we are going to discuss a topic that has become increasingly relevant in modern education, which is AI in education and its impact on students' critical thinking skills. As we know, AI tools such as ChatGPT, Cloud AI, and other AI-empowered platforms are becoming students' daily learning experience. Many students use AI to complete their assignment, brainstorm their ideas, and even help them to solve their academic problems. So, however, this growing use of AI raises an important question. Does AI help students to develop their critical thinking skills, or does it actually make them more dependent on technology? To explore this issue, we will discuss with our beloved friends.
I'm Aufa.
Hello, I'm Debbie.
And hello, I am Kalista.
So, before we begin, I would like to ask each of you a simple question. When you hear the phrase AI in education, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
For me is efficiency. AI makes learning more faster and more accessible.
Honestly, I think about dependence. Many students seems like rely on AI more than ever before.
And for me, it's information. AI is changing the way students learn and teachers teach.
Oh, those are very interesting perspective. Let's start with the positive side first. Debbie, since you mentioned efficiency, could you explain how AI can actually help students develop their critical thinking skills?
Of course, I think AI can be useful learning assistant when used properly. It gives students a quick access to information so they can focus more on analyzing idea rather than just searching for them. For example, like students can use AI to explore different perspectives before forming their own opinion.
Oh, okay. So you're saying that AI can save time and allow students to focus on deeper thinking.
Exactly. AI can also help students brainstorming idea and generate question rather than giving final answer. It can encourage students to explore topic further.
I agree with that. Sometimes AI introduce viewpoints that students may not have considered before, which can burden their students.
That's true. It can expose students to different perspectives and comparing those perspectives. It is an important part of critical thinking.
I agree to some extent. However, I think there is also a downside to relying on AI too much.
Oh, okay. That's a great point, Alpha. Let's move on to the next concern, use of AI. Alpha, what concern you most about students using AI?
My biggest concern is over reliance. While AI can be helpful, some students use it as a replacement for thinking rather than as a learning tool. Instead of analyzing information themselves, they simply accept whatever AI generates.
Can you give an example?
Sure. For example, like some students ask AI to write essays or answer assignments and then submit the work without fully understanding the content. In situations like that, they miss opportunities to practice critical thinking and problem solving skills.
Oh, that's definitely concerning.
Another issue is that AI is not always accurate. Sometimes it provides misleading or incorrect information. If students don't verify what they read, they may end up learning something that is not true.
I completely agree. Critical thinking requires questioning information regardless of where it comes from.
That's true. I think the problem it's an AI itself, but how people choose to use it.
Exactly. AI can be useful, but students must remain active participant in their learning process.
So we've discussed the benefits and the risks of AI. The next question is, how should education respond to this situation? Kalista, what do you think schools and universities should do moving forward?
I think the key is balance. AI is likely to remain part of education, so instead of banning it completely, schools should teach students how to use it responsibly. One important skill is AI literacy. Students need to understand both the strength and limitation of AI so they can evaluate AI generated information critically.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. What might that look like in practice?
For example, teachers could redesign assignment instead of simply asking students to produce answer. They could ask students to explain their reasoning, evaluate AI generate response, or reflect on how they use AI during the learning process.
So rather than AI, than avoiding AI, school should teach students how to use it effectively.
Exactly. Technology will continue to evolve, and students need to learn how to work with it while maintaining independent thinking.
I think is the realistic approach because AI is already becoming part of everyday learning.
Yes, and in the future, critical thinking may become even more important because students will constantly need to evaluate information from both human and AI research.
Oh, that's a very valuable perspective. Now that we've heard all different perspective, I'd like to ask the final question to each of you guys. Do you think AI helps or harms students' critical thinking overall?
Personally, I think AI helps more than it harms. When used correctly, it can support learning and encourage curiously and expose students to new ideas.
I think AI can be beneficial, but if students use it responsibly. Otherwise, it may encourage dependency and reduce independent thinking.
For me, the answer is somewhere in the middle. AI itself is neither good nor bad. Its impact depends on how students, teachers, and school choose to use it.
I agree with all of you. It seems that the real issue is not the technology itself, but how we interact with it. To conclude, today's discussion has shown that AI can both help and harm students' critical thinking skills. On one hand, AI can support learning by providing information, feedback, and opportunities for exploration. On the other hand, excessive dependence on AI may reduce students' ability to think independently and evaluate information critically. Ultimately, the impact of AI depends on how it is used. Therefore, students, teachers, and educational institutions must work together to ensure that AI remains a tool for learning rather than a substitute for critical thinking. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. We hope this discussion has provided valuable insight to the role of AI in education. See you in our next discussion. Goodbye.
Everyone.
You're standing in the way. Oh! In the way of what? I can't see what I'm painting.